Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to send signature requests using WhatsApp for a fast and convenient signing experience. BoldSign's WhatsApp integration gives you an easy way to deliver documents directly to signers' phones, making the signing process quicker and more accessible. Email and SMS notifications aren't always the best way to reach everyone. Some signers might miss emails in their crowded inbox, have limited or no email access, or simply prefer using WhatsApp. Others may face delays or failed deliveries with SMS due to network or carrier problems. These issues can delay the signing process, lower completion rates, and create extra hassle for signers who mainly use mobile messaging apps. BoldSign's WhatsApp delivery feature addresses these issues by letting senders share signature requests and document updates directly via WhatsApp. This creates a quick, easy, and mobile-friendly way to communicate. Once enabled, there's no need for recipients to check email, wait for SMS, or download any extra apps. Instead, a secure link arrives instantly in their WhatsApp chat, so they can open, review, and sign documents straight from their phone. This method works perfectly for people who prefer WhatsApp, leading to quicker replies and a smoother signing process, especially for those who are constantly on the move. Imagine a sales manager who wants to get a contract signed by a client, who's constantly traveling abroad and can only rely on WhatsApp for a quick communication. BoldSign makes this simple. Let's see how. Let's get started by sending a signature request via WhatsApp using BoldSign and enabling the WhatsApp delivery feature. First, log into your BoldSign account, expand the settings menu, and select integration. Locate the WhatsApp card and click Enable. If your plan doesn't support WhatsApp delivery, follow prompts to complete the upgrade. Then, review the instructions in the dialog and click Enable. Now that WhatsApp delivery is enabled, you can create and send signature requests via WhatsApp. If the feature is no longer needed, you can disable it by clicking the Disable button. To send signatures via WhatsApp delivery mode, click Create New and select Create New Document. On the Prepared Document page, upload your file. In the Add Recipients section, open the Delivery Options drop-down menu. By default, it's set to email. Select WhatsApp as the delivery mode. Enter the signer's name, select the correct country code, and enter the phone number. You can also set the signer's preferred language for WhatsApp notifications. Click Next to proceed to the Configure Form Fields page. On this page, drag and drop the required form fields. Once done, review the document and click Send. A notification will confirm that the document has been sent successfully. Now on to the signer side. The signer receives a signature request WhatsApp message with a secure link to review and sign the document. When the signer taps the link, they're taken to the BoldSign document signing page. By tapping Start Signing, the signer begins filling the fields. After filling in all the required fields, they tap Finish to finalize the signing process. That's it. Sending signature requests via WhatsApp is a fast, convenient, and user-friendly way to get documents signed on time. With BoldSign's WhatsApp delivery, you'll speed up document turnaround, improve signer convenience, and ensure your requests reach recipients instantly on their preferred messaging platform. Ready to make signing faster and easier? Enable WhatsApp delivery in your BoldSign account and start sending WhatsApp signature requests today. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.